Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing for you the Murad Retinal ReSculpt eye treatment, which looks like this. Murad kindly sent this over as part of PR and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia. I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you love product reviews. Murad describes this as a next generation eye cream that reduces the appearance of deep set lines and wrinkles and firms droopy, sagging lids and folds, and restores visible elasticity. This is currently available at Sephora.com and Murad.com. I will be linking the product down below for you. A 0.5 ounce unit like this retails for $92. This may be the priciest eye cream I have reviewed here on my channel. I will, however, link the priciest eye serum I have reviewed here on my channel up above for you in case you're curious. Want to check it out? Murad suggests that you use this in the evening portion of your routine. You want to apply a thin layer of Retinal ReSculpt to clean skin. You want to pat around the orbital bone and do not get too close to the lash line. You want to also apply this to the lid and you want to apply just below the brow. So to the lid and brow. I looked at the ingredients after well over 4 weeks of use. I saw that this product has some very interesting ingredients that I haven't personally seen in other formulas, like gentian root extract. This helps to improve the appearance of sagging, drooping eyelids and folds and under eye bags. This is one of the best ingredients found within this formula. It is an anti-aging antioxidant that also soothes the skin. We see retinaldehyde, a powerful retinol derivative, one which we know as retinal. It is the direct precursor to retinoic acid. So it literally just takes one conversion and boom, retinoic acid. Whereas pure retinol needs 2 conversions before it becomes retinoic acid. So retinal has the ability to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, minimize acne in some cases. Encapsulated retinal, as seen here, can be tolerated equally as well as pure retinol, or in some cases it may be tolerated even better. Any ingredient that is encapsulated improves its stability and performance. I've used an L-ascorbic acid base serum. I believe it's also an anhydrous formula that is encapsulated in vitamin E, making it a lot more stable, a lot less irritating. On March 24th, I noted that I had been using this nightly for well over a week. Orbital bone appeared firmer and tighter. Unlike the directions, I apply a generous amount, and I focus it primarily on the outer portion of the orbital bone, right here. I love the cushiony feel. I love that it spreads easily, nicely over the skin. It does not irritate or burn the eyes despite me applying a liberal amount. I do make sure to tap quite a bit to spread the product evenly instead of swiping, which sometimes I do, but with this particular one, I just like to tap. My notes from April 6th note that applying a generous amount yields greater results. Skin along the eye area looks firmer, plumper. Finer lines look less noticeable. I've used a number of retinaldehyde base serums on this skin. I even use retinoic acid, but I don't use it along the delicate eye area. This is the first retinaldehyde based product I've used along the eye area. I will link my review to the Drunk Elephant A Shaba Eye Complex. This is my current go-to eye serum that also contains retinol. Although I do find serums to be more potent, more concentrated, I actually saw results from this. feels like sorcery. I love the pillowy, cushiony, balm-like feeling of this on my orbital bone. Because I will be 40 this summer, I can say that I look forward to making this my regular eye cream. Eyes age a lot faster, and why, you may ask. The skin along the eye area is about 5 times thinner than the skin anywhere else along the body or the face, and it is prone to both collagen loss and environmental aggressors. We also tend to express ourselves a lot more with our eyes, see smiling, squinting, and of course, blinking. While I have yet to see results from the deeper lines, those really close to the lash line, the texture along the outer part of the orbital bone appears to be smoother and more lifted. I think that with continuous use along the areas where my lines are deeper, I should see better results. I really wish, however, that I were using this with the Murad Targeted Dark Circle Corrector. Unfortunately, I loved that product so much that I emptied it so quickly, but I will link my review to that product up above in case you were also dealing with dark circles. This worked very well with a Shaba from Drunk Elephant. I used it along with that serum nightly. I did not, however, use this during the day, but I made sure to apply sunscreen daily when using. My favorite way to use this was, of course, with the Drunk Elephant A Shaba Eye Complex. I would, of course, recommend this to anyone who can afford a $92 eye cream. It is quite pricey for an eye cream, but definitely made for those who are showing the signs of aging, advanced signs of aging as well. If you're looking for a preventative, definitely try the Murad Retinal Youth Renewal Serum. I will include a picture of it here. That is also another favorite Murad product of mine. If you're in your 30s, try the Drunk Elephant A Shaba Eye Complex. And if you've got deeper set lines, wrinkles, droopy, saggy lids, and folds, I think this is for you. My pros here is this is results driven. It's easy to use. It's moisturizing, non-drying, non-irritating as well. I personally did not find that this migrated into my eye area, but I also made sure to just apply it along the orbital bone as well. And that did not happen even though I was applying a very generous amount. My con here is that this can be a bit pricey, but this can also be a great product to delay the possible use of filler or Botox, which can be a little bit more expensive and also can be a little painful. I am rating this a 10 out of 10. Murad's Targeted Dark Circle Corrector was a big hit for me, and this of course did not disappoint. I literally dipped into this as soon as it arrived. The PR package itself was stunning. It was beautiful. Just the graphics in that package, amazing. I think it's one of the best PR packages I have received from Murad, and I, of course, am so lucky. I feel that the Retinal ReSculpt products, although on the pricier side, are definitely more results driven. I reviewed the face serum a few months ago, and I have enjoyed the comments / results from commenters who have used the product left on that particular video, especially commenters who are more advanced in age. While I may not necessarily have deeper lines along the outermost part of my orbital bone, I definitely have some right below that I feel like this eye cream has definitely helped to minimize. So let me know if you have used this product by Murad in the comments down below. What's your skin type? What were your results? Would you personally recommend this to others? Let's discuss in that comment section. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it or learned something new today. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I upload every Sunday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Now let's start take 2. Murad, take two. On April 6th, I found that applying a generous amount yields. On April 6th, I noted that on April 6th, I found